Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can deposit money on the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app. Then you have to go to the menu, which is on the top left corner. So just tap on it. And here, if you scroll down, you will see the manage funds icon, and when you tap on it, here, as you can see, you can deposit funds on your account. You can deposit scheduled funds, and you can add your deposit methods, which means that you can add your credit card, debit card, or bank information, a bank account, for example, to use as a deposit tool. But first, you should know that to deposit funds on the Trading212 app, you need to have your identity verification, which means that you have to scan your ID card or passport in any country that you live in, where the Trading212 app is available. You have to scan your ID or passport, as I mentioned, the face and the back of it, and then you have to wait for a few days for them to verify it, and after that the deposit funds option is going to be available. As you can see, I just activated it yesterday, and the identity verification still not went through, so I'm still waiting, and this is why the deposit funds is not available. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.